So alright guys, what you're going to do is once you get your Google Chrome or any browser you're using, just go over to your search bar and then you type in Google image, let me give that a space, Google image FX. Okay, so you search. Now once you type in that, you can see this one here where you are seeing AI test kitchen, something like that. So image FX, that was the website we are going to use. So you click on that. So you just wait for it to load. So after it finished loading, here is the website. So the simple thing you're going to do on this website is just to sign in with your Google email account. You don't need a password for this, so just go over here and then sign in with Google account. Yes, sign in. It's free, okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. Most Nigerians don't like pay something, so I will be using one of my accounts here. So let me use this. So like I said, it does not require password, just your email account, then you are good to go. So here's the amazing thing about this website. Now you just have to give this a prompt and then it will generate something fantastic for you, okay? And then it will be of high quality, best quality, okay? And the detailing is 100%. So here you can type in your prompt. So what are we going to search for now? Let's give it a prompt. That is a man gymming. So you can type in any prompts which you want this to generate for you. A man gym, I think this is what I want. Let's search, let's see. So you just wait for it to load. An amazing something for us. You can see there are a lot of options where you can choose anyone you like and then you can download. Okay, if you want to download, very simple, click on this download icon here and then you can see download. I think that is good. So let's type in another prompt for this. Let's say a woman cooking. So you click on search. Amazing, okay, amazing. So you can see that generated something light for us. So whichever one you like. So I like this. So you just click on download and then you download. That is all.